Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something pretty interesting here with me for a quick unboxing and review. This is, of course, the Hinderer Knives XM-18 Spanto. Inside you find this kind of like popcorn. You've got the hand-assembled and tuned by card. And, of course, you've got the Teflon washer, phosphorus bronze washer, and an extra set of spacers right over there. And of course you have the knife which comes in this plastic bag, and this is the XM-18 3.5 inch Spanto tri-way stonewash in red G10. Would you look at that? Overall length of this guy is gonna be 8.2 inches with a 3.5 inch long blade and I would say 4.6 inch long handle. Of course, this is an XM-18. Rick Hinderer designed this iconic knife. It's this guy is sporting a G10 red scale. Very interesting titanium frame lock. It has all the goodies of the Generation 6. In fact, you can see from this logo right over here that this is a tri-way pivot system edition, because you can, of course, swap the pivot system, which is bearings, Teflon washers or phosphorus bronze washer, and you've got stainless steel insert, you got an over-travel stop, because of course it's a Hinderer, so he designed that mechanism. You've got, of course, a beautiful ergo going on. I mean, it's one of the most comfortable knives in the industry. In the hand, it feels really great. This guy is sporting a Spanto blade, 3.5 inch long, with the CPM 20 CV steel right over here, stonewash finished, flat grind, and Spanto point. Of course, this sound is like this. It's the XM-18, guys. You can't mistake this guy. It's very recognizable. In the pocket, this is going to be a little bit on the heavy side because it's going to be 5.6 ounces. You've got a nice titanium pocket clip right over here. Fit and finish is, of course, spot on. Nice set of standoffs going on. You've got a little bit of an issue because you're gonna need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different kind of bits to disassemble this guy, but it's not a big issue. Of course, you can even deploy this with the thumb stud. You've got an amazing grip. You have just the tiniest hot spot over here, but nothing too crazy. Of course, nice finger choil going on over there. Super smooth, super fast, nice speedy action. The tent is dialed in. You have a little bit of issue going on over here in this flipper tab. In this case, it's we have bearings installed, and it's an overall very good and solid and beefy knife. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.